Hello and welcome to the Gaming Spot. Today we shall answer this question. So, can the Zora Helm and Zora Greaves help you climb waterfalls the same way the armor does? So, the armor can help you climb waterfalls. So what if we take off the armor, take off the helm, and climb up this waterfall? Oh no, will it work? And I don't see it. It's not working. Okay, that was a flop. Okay, let's try out the Zora Helm. Now, let's remove the pants or greaves and try out the helm. Oh, still nothing. This is a complete flop. Okay, well, I guess now you know it. It doesn't work. Thank you.